Welcome to Beautyistic, where we make beauty feel as easy as it looks. If you've ever struggled with messy nails or found it impossible to paint with your non-dominant hand, then today's product might just change your mani game. Meet the Olive & June the Poppy Universal Nail Polish Bottle Handle. This isn't just any nail polish tool. It's an ergonomic design that promises to give you a more controlled, steadier, and faster at-home manicure experience. But does it really work? Let's dive in and see. The Poppy is a universal nail polish bottle handle that fits any Olive & June polish bottle, as well as most others on the market. Its unique patented design works to make your nail painting experience cleaner and easier. This tool is all about giving you better control, something that can make all the difference when you're painting your nails, especially if you're trying to paint with your non-dominant hand. The key feature here is the soft silicone grip. It's 100% rubber silicone, and trust me, it feels comfortable in your hand, offering a great balance without feeling too stiff. It's a game changer if you tend to have shaky hands or just need a little more stability when doing your nails. The counterweight feature is where the magic happens. It actually reduces shaking and gives you a smooth, even brushstroke. Using it is simple. You just remove the cap from your nail polish bottle, align the Poppy with the bottle's inner cap, and pop it on. Then it's business as usual. You paint your nails. It's intuitive, so no stress about figuring out how to use it. Now, how did it perform in real-life testing? Well, I was able to easily incorporate it into my nail care routine. The silicone grip felt cushy, and I didn't experience any discomfort even after a few coats. I love that it gave me extra control and steadiness when applying the polish. Painting with my non-dominant hand was a breeze for the first time, and the results were much more polished and even than I expected. But let's not overlook any downsides. The Poppy is specifically designed for bottles that have a certain kind of top, so if you have a bottle with a very different cap shape, it might not fit. Additionally, it adds a little extra bulk to your nail polish bottle. It's not huge, but if you're someone who likes to keep things compact and minimal, that might be a consideration. As for value for money, I'd say it's a solid investment if you frequently do your nails at home. At a reasonable price point for what it offers, the Poppy provides more precision, reduces mess, and helps you achieve a smoother, neater finish. For anyone who struggles with even application or just wants a more stable grip, this tool could make a real difference. Plus, it's reusable, so you're not buying something that will wear out in a week. So how does it stack up to other alternatives on the market? There are a few similar tools out there, but the Olive & June Poppy stands out with its universal fit and ergonomic design. Many other nail polish handles are either too bulky, uncomfortable, or don't fit a wide range of bottles. In comparison, the Poppy is sleek, comfortable, and versatile enough to use with virtually any bottle. In terms of build quality, the Poppy is sturdy without being too heavy, and its soft silicone material adds a nice tactile experience when in use. The fact that it's engineered for balance really shows. It helps stabilize your hand and allows you to focus more on the actual nail painting process. As for longevity, I haven't had any issues with the Poppy so far, but keep in mind it's made of silicone, so it should hold up for quite some time with proper care. It's easy to clean and doesn't seem to wear out with repeated use, so that's a plus. I haven't had to contact customer support for this product, but Olive & June is known for great customer service, so I'd expect a solid response if there were any issues. For anyone looking for alternatives, there are a few budget-friendly options, but none with the same universal fit and ergonomic design that the Poppy offers. Some of the cheaper alternatives may be effective, but they lack the same level of precision and comfort that the Poppy brings. In conclusion, the Olive & June the Poppy Universal Nail Polish Bottle Handle is a smart tool that will elevate your at-home manicure experience. Its ergonomic design, stability, and ease of use make it a standout in the nail care space. If you want to make your manicures easier, faster, and more fun, this is definitely worth a try. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on all the best beauty tips and product reviews. Your support really helps us continue bringing you honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, drop a comment if you've tried the Poppy or any other similar tools. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.